Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Newton, a popular cryptocurrency exchange available in Canada. But before we dive into the details, let's ask ourselves a question. Why should you care about Newton? Well, the truth is, the world of cryptocurrency is becoming increasingly popular, and Canada is no exception. More and more people are looking to invest in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and Newton is one of the best platforms for doing so. So, what exactly is Newton? Newton is a Canadian cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy and sell over 90 different cryptocurrencies. It's a great option for both beginners and experienced investors, as it's easy to use and offers a variety of features. One of the things that makes Newton stand out from the crowd is its low fees. While other exchanges can charge hefty fees, Newton's fees are very competitive. This makes it a great option for those who are looking to save money on their cryptocurrency investments. Another advantage of Newton is its security. The platform uses a number of security measures to protect your assets, including two-factor authentication and cold storage. This means that your funds are safe and secure, even if Newton is hacked. So, how do you get started with Newton? The first step is to create an account. This is a simple process that only takes a few minutes. Once you have created an account, you will need to verify your identity. This is a security measure that helps to prevent fraud. Once you have verified your identity, you can start adding funds to your account. You can do this by using a credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Once your funds are in your account, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. The process is very simple and intuitive. So, is Newton the right choice for you? If you're looking for a safe, reliable, and affordable way to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, then Newton is a great option. It's a great choice for both beginners and experienced investors. Of course, there are other cryptocurrency exchanges available in Canada. But if you're looking for a platform that offers a wide range of features, low fees, and a secure environment, then Newton is definitely worth considering. So, that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching, and until next time.